Hello, my name's Mr. Perkins. I'm one of the engine drivers on the island of Sodor. But today, I'm not on Sodor. Today, I'm on the mainland, visiting this beautiful railway. This is a very busy railway, and it takes a lot of people to keep everything running without confusion or delay. I love my job driving the engines on Sodor, but I couldn't do my job without help from all the other people doing their jobs on the railway too. This engine is travelling uphill. It's going to need plenty of steam. More steam means more coal in the firebox. This is the job of the fireman. The driver's job is to keep the engine running smoothly and safely. This is the ticket inspector. She makes sure all the passengers have the right tickets. On this narrow gauge railway, an engine is waiting at a red signal. This is the signal box. And this man is called the signalman. He uses these levers to control all the signals and points out on the tracks. That way, he can tell an engine when to stop and when to go. It's a very important job, helping to keep the railway safe and the engines chuffing where they need to go. In the yard, workmen are working to keep these engines running at their best. Here, joints are checked and bearings are oiled. Back at the station master, who looks after everyone on the platform, is getting ready to send this train on its way. Everybody on this railway has their own special job to do. They all work together to keep the railway running smoothly and safely. Well, that was very interesting, wasn't it? But I think this engine's ready to leave. I better be going. I wonder what we'll see next time. Goodbye!